Scaling the peaks of English, mastering the superlative form. Hello, language learners. Today, we're reaching for the stars as we explore a crucial part of English grammar, the superlative form. This exciting form helps us compare three or more things, making our conversations and writings much more vibrant and engaging. So, are you ready to climb the mountain of superlatives with us? Let's get started. In English, the superlative is used to compare three or more items or individuals, indicating which one is the most or the least in a certain context. This can be applied to qualities, characteristics, or actions. For instance, when talking about a group of athletes, we could say, Usain Bolt is the fastest. In this sentence, fastest is the superlative form of fast, indicating that no one else in this group runs as quickly as Usain Bolt. When forming superlatives, we generally add the suffix est to the end of one-syllable adjectives and use most or least before multi-syllable adjectives. For example, big becomes biggest, while beautiful becomes most beautiful. However, there are exceptions, particularly with irregular adjectives, such as good, which becomes best, and bad, which transforms into worst. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't worry if these exceptions seem difficult at first. Always remember to use the before superlatives. You can't just say, she is most beautiful. You have to say, she is the most beautiful. Also, when comparing actions, we use the superlative form of adverbs. For example, she runs the most quickly, where quickly is an adverb describing how the action runs is performed. And that's it. With these pointers, you're now better equipped to use the superlative form effectively in English. Remember, it's all about practice, so try using these forms in your conversations and writings to consolidate what you've learned today. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep reaching for the English stars.